If you need to request a refund from YouTube for payment that has been processed, follow these simple steps to ensure you complete the process correctly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the src.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Access purchase history. Navigate to the purchases section in your account settings. This area will display all your transactions, allowing you to find the specific payment you want to refund. Step 3. Select the transaction. Locate the transaction that you would like to request a refund for. Click on it to view more details about the purchase, including the date and amount. Step 4. Request a refund. Look for the option to request a refund. This may be labeled as request a refund or report a problem. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request, providing any necessary information to support your case. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, monitor your email for a confirmation from YouTube regarding the status of your refund. It may take a few days for them to process your request, so be patient. In conclusion, following these steps will help you navigate the refund process on YouTube smoothly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance.